crowded Benidorm terraces, something that you didn't see since last summer season. Incredible places for some nice food, packed up Levante beach, and shirtless people, as if it would be the month of July or August. But no, this is actually right now, 20th of February in Benidorm. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to another brand new sunny and gorgeous video from Benidorm town. You cannot imagine how busy this city is right now. We are starting today's video at the end of the British Street, aka the Girona Street, the famous one of course. And this side of the street is packed with restaurants. It's not as much night entertainment as nice places to have some meals. El Mesón, typical Spanish, very fancy, slightly more expensive side place for menus, seafood, fish, meats. It's a great place where Spanish love to go, but honestly, it is slightly more on the expensive side. Nearby, we have different types of bars, cocktails, international restaurants that we really enjoy. I think we've tried this one right here, and it was a very good place to try out. They have a very cheap menu, by the way. Menu of the day, $14.90, and it's a 3-course menu. We've tried it. Definitely a great place to be. It's an international restaurant, a little bit of everything here, and we've never been inside actually, so we can show it to you now. Indoors looks really lovely, especially if it's colder outside. It was warm when we filmed it, so we were sitting on the outdoor terrace. Really lovely place. They have very good food, by the way, even typical Spanish food. We all loved it. And for $14.90 for a 3-course menu, sign us in back again. If we would not be living here, we would definitely be visiting the place. And they have a very friendly staff, by the way, too. My husband's talking with him right now. More typical burger places. Have not been to this one yet. Circus, it's called. That's an interesting place. El Bodegón, been here, tried it. Lovely place. Not as busy today. Oh yeah, it is busy today. It's actually quite busy. That's true. Quite a lot of great options for food and drinks and snacks. Menu of the day, $22.50. A big variety of different types of selections. And very good service, very efficient. The food's very good. We've been here not once, not twice, but we love their lobster rice. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. So yeah, we've been here quite a few times. And it's not the only busy place. Here nearby, we also have other places that are open. Steakhouses. This one is like a Spanish type of steakhouse. New places like the Lucky Shamrock. Cannot read it from here. Cannot see it. But this is like a typical international place. This is for drinks mostly. I think they do have a cart as well. They do have like a la carte things, but there's a lot of drinks here, cocktails, deals, beer selections, etc. People love it because it's a sunny terrace. It's a nice atmosphere. There's a little bit of music, but it's not like a dark pub. You know, it's all sunny. It's warm. It's on the outside, so it's great. More places here. All the terraces are busy in general. Everything is busy because, well, it's sunny back again. So people will be here outside enjoying it. And that's what we're doing too. Even the terrace of Los Alamos Hotel and Suites, even there, like cafeteria / restaurant terrace, also really busy. It's called Portofino, if I'm not wrong. Really busy. A lot of things here. A lot of things here by the Seven Seas pub. All this is being changed. This is the one of the hotels that's undergoing refurbishment right now. And the terrace must be looking gorgeous when they'll finish with all of this. We're really anxious to see how it's going to be looking like. Thai massage places, tattoo studios. A lot of the things are open with an exception of just a couple of them that are closed for out of season, but will be opening up in just a couple of weeks' time when we'll hit the month of March. Here nearby, we're heading, by the way, towards the Levante beach. We can see it already from here. Oh, we can see it's so busy. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Wow. If our eyes are still working well, which I hope they do, it is incredibly busy out there. But meanwhile, we're located on the Mediterranean Avenue, and this feels like it's typical summer day. Obviously, you can see the trees, there's no leaves on them, so it is winter, but it feels like it's not. It feels like it's a busy season already. And right here on the Mediterranean Avenue, some of the businesses closed down and new ones emerged. One of the bars here nearby, it's going to be a giant bar with a huge sunny terrace. Just imagine all this being done, finished, over with, and a lot of chairs and tables with plenty of people just enjoying everything and enjoying some drinks and some snacks and some music. This is going to be a huge terrace, you guys. It's going to be absolutely giant. Look at that. I wonder which kind of design will they choose for this bar, because each of them is slightly different. And we're curious to see how this will end up being. Because so far, there is absolutely nothing that could tell us what it's going to be. More restaurants and cafeterias here nearby, Italian restaurants. There's typical Spanish tapas places. Here we even have some menus of the day. Don't see the 18 euros? 18 euros, more or less. That's, 18, VAT included. 18 euros Italian menu. That's interesting. That's a new thing. A Peruvian place, which is closed right now. Probably maybe staff day off. Special offers sandwich, $9.90. So basically it's, what is it, like a burger, kebab, chicken tenders, plus a drink and potatoes. That's 9 euros, more or less, as far as we can see. Oh, rentals place closed down. That's interesting. Chinese restaurants. And then we have some nice places such as El Galeon. This is a very popular place, trust me. Very nice place, and they've changed the whole entire outside part. They specialize, it's like a steakhouse, but it specializes on mixed grill, on typical Spanish food as well. They have menus, even fish and chips. Look at that. There's even an international food here. Not only like paella, black rice paella, Valencian paella, rations here. Oh, there's so many things. Fried ones, seafood, meat, fish. A little bit of everything. So it's like a Spanish place, but they do offer different options for those who do not want Spanish food. Like if you travel with a group or as a family and you all want to eat different things, you have it all here. So that's definitely a great option. Ooh, newly changed, lovely place out here nearby, right next to the Levante beach and next to the Jolly Rogers. You'll be able to see in a second how busy it is by the seaside. Look at all this. Ooh, the terraces are packed today. Even here at the Jolly Rogers, there's music, there's entertainment. Not a single table is available on the outside. On the inside, yes, of course, you can have plenty of them. Whichever you want, pick one. But on the open air terrace, there's literally not a single place available. And that's because it's finally a gorgeous day. It's a great weather here in the area. There's some teams, I suspect, out there in front by the sea, by the shore. Not sure, maybe swimmers, maybe different types of sports team. Who knows? But overall, look at the atmosphere. The sky is blue, the water's calm and quiet. And the sunbeds are back. The sunbeds are back, and there's a lot of people using them. There's people walking by the seaside. There's people swimming in the sea. Oh, there's a whole lot of people swimming now. In February, with swimwear. That is how different It actually is from just a few days ago. It is insane how things change. What just a little bit of sunshine can do to people and overall to the atmosphere that we have inside of the city. The promenade is absolutely full. It feels like it might be around 20 degrees right now, approximately. On the sunshine, probably if you stay long enough, it might even feel slightly more. But look at that. All the sunbeds are back already. I wonder if they've changed the pricing. I don't think so. Cannot really see it from here very well, but I don't think that they've changed the prices. I think the signs are exactly the same as they used to be. Some pizzerias and cafeterias and restaurants here nearby. Everything's busy. All the frontline views occupied. All the frontline seats. Everything is packed up with people. I see some people who are already burned from sunshine. Be careful and put on some sunscreen, because even though it is winter, even though it might seem like, oh, it's not as hot outside, but for people who are not used to Spanish Mediterranean sunshine, it does affect quite a lot. So I did see some burned people already out here on the streets. So yeah, use a little bit of sunscreen, please, to avoid that from happening. Absolutely busy. Oh my goodness, even the White Lion. Look at the terrace. Even on the top, on the second floor, it's all busy. My world. And the Penelope Beach Club. A lot of people out here.
We're in Benidorm, so I hope whenever you are coming here, always welcome to in Benidorm. I give you tequila rose and free sunshine. Thank you very much. Do not forget like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
And that was our favorite public relations here in Benidorm. He does an incredible job. I always say that he's like the biggest and the best public relations here that any bar can get. That's for sure. I'm sure he loves his job, because that's the only way you will be able to do your job so well. But yeah, Penelope is lucky to have a worker like him. Definitely. That's why it's so packed. No wonder. Quite a lot of families here by the promenade. All the benches, almost all of them, are busy. A lot of movement on the beach. Families with kids, groups, solo travelers, couples, friends, all of them are here on the Levante beach, and I've not seen so many people swimming in a really, really long time. Probably since last summer. That's when this last happened, like October, even November months. That's when we've seen last people like swimming that much. But now there's a whole lot of people inside of the water. I wouldn't go. For us, it's really cold. Those who live here, Spanish like residents, we do not go for a swim up until end of May, June month, honestly. So for us, seeing people swimming in February is kind of a bizarre attraction. For us, it's really, really cold outside. But I get that if you're coming from a cold country, this type of weather obviously feels like summer, and it might even feel nice inside of the sea. Who knows? But we wouldn't risk it so far. Ooh, is there even a DJ session probably? Yeah, there probably will be. That busy today, all the terraces, everything is occupied. Every single bar, every single space, small one, big one, more famous, less famous. Beers just blasting from every single corner. There's pints, there's big jugs, there's bucket deals, there's bottles, there's every single thing out here. Cocktails non-stop. Wow. This is something unexpected, to say the least. Ice creams too. Look at that. The Guinness bar. Wow. That is insane. Restaurants nearby. And even though every single place is absolutely full to the top, there's still a whole lot of people on the outside, on the streets, and by the promenade. It is incredible. Wow. Look at the Tiki Town. And that's because it's a sunny terrace. It's a big, huge, even sunny terrace. It has some sports, it has some music, it has food and drinks and snacks. And it's all right here by the Levante beach. So that's why people love these places. Everything is nearby and it's a good service. Prices are all right as well. It's not something crazy expensive to be able to have, but wow. Everywhere, people everywhere. And people say that it's not been busy. Yeah, it's been. It's 73, 74% of occupancy right now. Imagine this, and with sunshine, this looks like summer. This looks and feels like summer because there's people inside of the sea. And not only one, not two, but way, way more than that. Oh my goodness, and it's just February. And this looks like summer. Wow. Absolutely incredible day in Benidorm town. So many great places to visit. Try out some nice, typical or international food and get some lovely cold drinks. Don't miss tomorrow's video.